Hi friends, let me show you these new pet stairs that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a strong stairs set. It holds dogs up to 100 pounds. I'm going to put it together and use it with my pets. Let me show you.
Okay guys, the proper assembly process is actually really simple, as you can see, which I think that it's nice. The instructions are really clear, and what I think that it's nice about these stairs is that they have a non-slip button. The cushion is removable for a really easy cleaning. The proper structure is made of metal, and it has a convenient storage for the stairs, so you don't have to worry about it. It's made and suitable for small dogs and even cats, okay?
Now we're going to put this in its storage here, so it will be easy to unfold it like this. And now we're going to put the sofa on top of it, okay? So let me show you how you're going to use it. This is just like a small sofa for your pet, but if you want to use the stairs, you just have to slide them in the front, unfold them, and that's it. You have your stairs to the sofa or by any other, tall furniture like a sofa or a bed. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, the sofa is nice for them to rest or to play. And if for any reason your dogs or your pets can't jump to the sofa, like them, they can, but if some of them can't, they can use the ladder like that, okay? So it's a really nice addition to any living room or pet room. As you can see, they will be really happy playing with it and resting in it. And if for any reason you don't want them to use the ladder anymore, you can fold it and store it away like this. Okay? Really nice. Thank you.